As you can see, microbeads are a bigger problem than they appear. Sarah and I went around and asked people what they thought about microbeads. Here are the results that we collected.
Hello, today we have Ms. Rogers and we're going to talk about microbeads. So Ms. Rogers, what is your opinion on microbeads?
They're great for exfoliating my skin.
Well, yes they are, but do you know the harmful effects they have in our environment and our waters?
No.
Well, they are polluting our waters because they are tiny plastic and they're killing our animals.
Well, gee, I feel bad now.
Yeah, you should. You know what you should do? You should go to the stores and buy products that do not contain microbeads and help spread the word to ban the bead.
I sure will.
Excuse me, sir. Hi, can I ask you a couple of questions?
Sure.
Alright, well first off, what is your name?
Mr. Scott.
Well, nice to meet you, Mr. Scott. So I was wondering, do you know what microbeads are?
Well, no I don't.
Well, microbeads are a really big problem in this world today. They are tiny plastics that are harming our environment and they're polluting our waters. So how do you feel about that?
That doesn't sound good at all.
It's not good. I was also wondering, do you by chance eat fish meals?
I do.
Well, fish mistaken microbeads as food, and so when they eat the microbeads, sometimes the fish still contains the microbeads when you have them as dinner. So really, you're kind of actually eating microbeads yourself. How do you feel about that?
Really?
Yeah, really. It's not good.
Wow.
Crazy, right? Well, that's all we have today, Mr. Scott.
Tiffany Patch, what is your opinion on microbeads?
I think microbeads are really bad for the planet. They're useful in products, but they're made of plastic, which harms the environment and isn't very good for the animals that live in the ocean.
When did you first hear of microbeads?
I heard about the issue with microbeads about a year or two ago, and the big controversy with animal rights groups.
Did you know that microbeads just recently got banned?
No, I did not.
Obama just passed a law saying that they need to be rid of it by 2017. What is your opinion on that?
I think that's good that he's making progress for animals and trying to protect our environment as much as possible in the little time that he has left in office.
Okay, thank you, Tiffany.
You're welcome.
Just as we expected, not everyone knows what microbeads are and the harmful effects they have on our environment. So I'm going to tell you what microbeads are, the harmful effects they have, and what we can do about it. First off, what are microbeads? Well, microbeads are tiny plastics mostly made up of polyethylene. You may recognize them as the tiny color balls you see in your face scrubs, your body washes, or even your toothpaste. Microbeads are not biodegradable, which means they cannot be broken down naturally. Some alternatives we can use are ground up almonds, oatmeal, sea salt, or coconut husks. Microbeads play the role of exfoliating your skin. However, once they are washed down the drain, they become a hazard to our environment. So how do they become a hazard to our environment? Well, did I mention that they are very small? In fact, they are 1 millimeter in size. Most water treatment plants cannot filter out microbeads, so they end up flowing into our lakes, streams, and oceans. During their journey to the open waters, they accumulate a lot of chemicals and toxins. Some chemical compounds they collect include polychlorinated biphenyls and polycyclic or aromatic hydrocarbons. In 2012, an experiment was taking place on the Great Lakes. Lake Erie consisted the greatest amount of microbeads. Calculations revealed that 1.5 to 1.7 million microbeads were found per square mile. Tanaya sent us some pictures of Lake Erie now. As you can see, the population of microbeads has gone down. We also learned that some aquatic animals such as fish eat microbeads by mistake. Fish who take in microbeads are now contaminated with deadly toxins. Humans eat fish as a source of protein, and if we eat fish who ate microbeads, our bodies now contain those deadly toxins as well. So what can we do? Well, to start off, we can look at our products that could possibly contain microbeads and check the labels. As a school, we can help spread the word about microbeads and help ban the bead. We can make sure that our school does not contain soap that has microbeads in it. As a society, we can stop purchasing products with microbeads and purchase products with natural ingredients. Well, that is all for today. Thanks for listening, and remember, let's help ban the bead.